Hey guys, it's Maymay, and in this video, I'm going to do a little explanation about our stamp clubs. Now, I'm going to be kind of quick and simple with it because I don't want to clutter your mind with information just by chatting to you, but I want to tell you that in the description below, there is always a link to our stamp clubs in all of my videos, and you can click on there and there's a full written explanation of what the club includes and how it works. So if you have any questions after this, be sure to just head to that little link and it'll explain everything for you. So we have two clubs. We have an original club and we have a scripture club. That scripture club actually came because you guys suggested it, and I thought it was a brilliant suggestion, and we've been doing that ever since. So the club is a 4x6 mystery set. Okay, it's $11.99 a month. There is no shipping included. It's just $11.99 a month. You don't have to pay shipping at all. And every month, a stamp set will be shipped to you. If you're in the original club, your sets will ship to you on the 6th of every month. And if you're in the scripture club, your sets will ship to you on the 21st of the month. Now, I try very hard for our stamp sets to be very user-friendly, meaning everybody can use them. Our club sets are very easy to use for everyone. They are never specific to one sort of holiday or even one sort of theme. Sometimes they'll kind of be themey, but most of the time there's something everyone can use. So here's what I mean by that, and I want to clarify. Some people have misunderstood whenever I say that a stamp set won't be holiday, when I'm saying it won't be specific holiday. So for example, let's say Easter's coming up in several months. We're going to start working on our Easter stamp sets. If I put the words Happy Easter on the set, the entire set won't necessarily have to be used for Easter projects, but it might lean toward Easter projects, okay? So it doesn't mean that you have to use it. It won't be something that you have to use for a specific holiday, because I know not everybody celebrates the same holidays I do. But sometimes you might find a sentiment here or there. I'm never going to have one that is specific Christmas, specific Thanksgiving, specific Easter, specific 4th of July. You're never going to get that sort of stamp set in the club. It's always going to be more generic for everyone to be able to use. Now, the Scripture Club is 100% aimed at Scripture, and it's Scripture as I believe. I am a Christian, and I'm of the Baptist denomination, and I believe in that way. Therefore, the stamp sets that I create are based on what I believe. And so you're going to have stamp sets that have things like King James Scripture. Sometimes it might have NIV Scripture. Sometimes it'll have ESV Scripture in it. But it is solely based on my beliefs and how I see Scripture and how I believe Scripture. Also, that stamp set or that the Scripture Club can be specific. You probably will get a full Christmas stamp set, or you probably will get a full nativity stamp set. We just did that just recently. So the Scripture Club is much more specific to all things believers, okay? $11.99 a month to be a part of it. Again, it's a mystery club. The other cool thing is, as a club member, you get 15% off your purchases in the store. Now, it's most purchases, and what I mean by that is there are times when we have special sales that we can't add 15% on, and we don't allow 15% to stack. There have been times when it's been able to. Sometimes we've had products that we've been able to get at such a good price that we're able to pass that on to you guys. But for the most part, when we're having a sale, you can't stack your discount. But on the whole, you get 15% off on your purchases that do qualify for the entire year. You also receive a $5 coupon on your birthday just to say thank you. So you get $5 off your order. And your $11.99 that you spend every month goes towards your loyalty points. So every dollar you spend in our store, you earn 1 loyalty point. So you even collect $11.99 in loyalty points every month by being a member. I think that's everything. I think I said it all. But that's how our club works. It's super fun. It's one of those, it's like a lucky dip. You never know what you're going to get. But again, whenever I do stamp sets, I try to make them something everyone can use. This is this is November's stamp set. This one's called Vinny's Fave. Vince really inspired this one. We had a good time making this with his input and what he wanted to see here. So this was really cool. So if you'd like to join the club, links are in the description below. If you want to join, let's say you want to make sure you're signed up and you get December's club set, you'll need to join by midnight the last night of November, okay? So if you sign up in December, you have to wait a month because club sets ship you know, the 1st or the 6th and the 21st. So if you miss the cutoff date, you have to wait for the following month. Okay, so just wanted to clarify that for you. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them, call us, email us. We will answer your questions. But the best place to get your questions answered are in the product description that's in the description below, the little link, because it's all written out nice and easy for you to see. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you enjoy it. And thanks to everyone who's been part of our club for all these years. You guys are amazing. You do amazing work. I love to see all that you do to inspire others. Have a great one, guys. Bye-bye.